Hey YouTubers, got the old Topdon Artidiag Pro here. I did a review on it last week, I think it was. Now I've got a couple of vehicles to plug it into. I have a Chevy Captiva, I believe that's 2.2, but I don't know yet because I haven't looked at it. And I've got a Discovery 3, which got a couple of fault lights showing on it. So yeah, let's go see how it performs on these vehicles. Right, so we'll start with the Discovery. Let's get it plugged in and see what it's going to tell us. Get this plugged in. Plugged in. Put the ignition on. Now this is a feature that I really like about it. As soon as you plug it in, if there's the option available, it'll decode it, or try to. So we've got it decoded now. 319, yep. So the details. Let's click a yes. Turn this heater off. Now this isn't going to be a repair video. Probably do that later on, but I just wanted to show you and have a look myself what this thing can do. So we'll do a health report. There's a few codes. So let's see what the engine code is. Speed control, input A. Park neutral switch. Comms. Okay. Now it's got I know that this had a conversion when it came over to Spain from right hand drive to left hand drive headlamp, so that's obviously got to do that. BCM. Well, I like this Topdon. It's pretty good system pressure. Now yesterday because this got a serious leak on the rear AC, I did the bypass, so it only works on the front AC now. That's pretty bloody good. Well, let's see how the Topdon gets on with this Chevrolet Captiva. Don't know what engine it's got in. It's a diesel. It's probably the 2.2. Let's have a little go. So that's fired up and ready. Ignition on. Let's get VCI information. Try again after pull and plug VCI. Okay. Pull. Plug. Excellent. So it's a GM. So it's 2011 Captiva. Very good. I do like that function. AC pressure sense circuit low voltage, ignition relay, de-energized swirly, water and fuel. Okay. Well, they've asked me to re-gas the AC, but before I do that, we better have a look at the low voltage, and we'll have a look at the water and fuel. I mean, I've never serviced this vehicle, it's the first time I've seen it. What we can do is we'll take a snapshot. Now we can come back. And we'll clear the codes and just sure, yep, got a snapshot. So. Right, so everything's got a bit of clean bit of health. Let's cycle the key. Run it up. Back out a bit. Okay. Video Q, and it's an auto. Data stream. HVAC. Just want to have a look at the pressures in the AC. Have a look at that. So. That. Let's put it AC set to on or not on? No, we've got AC on. Do we have an auto? Yep, we have an auto. And we need to set it to the low. Kilopascals. Right, let's get a thermometer, see what it's outputting. The ambient temperature is 20 point. Hold it away from the above there. 20.6. AC off, AC on. I don't hear the clutch engaging. I don't see any change here. wonder if I can actuate the pressure clutch. Right, so here we go. Let's put the compressor clutch on. I didn't hear the compressor clutch come on. Right, well, whether I do this in a new video or carry it on from this one, but I think we're going to investigate the AC issue.